Have you ever noticed how Netflix knows what you want to watch next? Or how Google Maps show traffic before you even reach the road? How Google Maps show traffic before you even reach the road? Have you ever noticed? No. So, hi everyone, my name is Nidhi, and in this video, I will show you how you become a data analyst step by step, even if you are starting from zero. So, let's get started. So, what does a data analyst do? What does data analyst do? Okay, so analyst is like a detective, but instead of solving crime, they solve business problem using data. So, their job is very simple. Okay, first they collect the data and then they clean the messy data. After that, they analyze it using a chart and numbers. Okay, and finally, they explain what the data means to the team. You don't need to math genius, you just need the curiosity and the ability to ask the good question. Now we are going to talk about what skills you need. Okay, so first you need to know what is your technical skill that should necessary in data analyst. So let's talk about your skills. Skills you need for with data analyst. Okay, so I'm going to talk about tech skills. So these are the tech skills: SQL or Google Sheet. First skill is Excel or Google Sheet. So this is where most data analysis start. You learn formulas, table and chart here in Excel or Google Sheet. Okay. And second is SQL. SQL helps you to talk to data analysis. I mean database. SQL helps you to talk to database and pull the exact data you need. Third is one is Python or R. This one. So Python and R. This help you to clean. This help you to clean big data set. Okay, this will help you to clean big data sets and do deeper analysis, but don't worry, you can learn basic. Okay, and after this, and you can say last, data visualization using tool like Power BI, Tableau. Okay, so your data look clear and professional. So you need these skills. Okay, tech skills. First is Excel, Google Sheet, SQL and Python or R. Okay. Third is soft skill. Technical skill are important, but soft skill matter too. You need critical thinking to understand what data is saying. You need to storytelling to explain insights clearly. You need attention to detail because a small mistake can change result. Remember, your job is not just to analyze the data, but to explain it. Your job is not just to analyze the data but to explain it. Now we are going to talk about steps, or you can say roadmap. Okay, so your 5 step roadmap. Okay, so first thing, step 1, learn the basics in 1 to 2 month. Learn the basic in 1 to 2 month. Start with the basic, learn Excel and basic statistics from YouTube channel or free courses on Coursera. Don't rush. Okay. Focus on understanding. Here in first 1 to 2 month. First thing. Second step is learn the SQL and visualization in month 3 to 4. Okay. So next learn SQL. This is the must for data analysis. Practice with free data set. At the same time, learn Power BI or Tableau and start making dashboards. Step third is learn Python basics. Month 5 and 6. So here add Python basics. You need to add Python basics and learn how to clean data and create simple graphs. You don't need to master everything, just enough to work with the data. Step 4 is build a project in 7 and 8. Build the project month 7 and 8. Okay, so this is the most important step. Build the project using real data, sales data, COVID data, and Spotify data, anything. Okay, explain what problem you solve and what inside you found. This is very important step. Build the project in month 7 and 8. Fifth step is apply and network. Okay, in month 9 and 10 you can apply and network. Update your resume and add your project and start applying. Connect with the data analyst on LinkedIn and ask the question and learn from them. Now we are going to move here in in part 4, tips to stand out. Okay, so if you want to stand out, create a portfolio, website or GitHub, do freelancing or volunteer project, join the Kaggle competition and stay active on LinkedIn. Company want to see you what you can do, not just want you studied. Now we are going to talk about common questions in part 5. Okay, so do you have any question in your mind? Okay, so these are the questions. Do you need a degree? Not always. Skill and project matter more. Do you need degree? Not always. Skill and project matter more. Okay. How long does it take? Okay. Oh, I pasted 2 times same question. So second question is how I can write by myself. How long how long does it takes? Okay, so around 6 to 10 months with consistent learning. Okay, you can finish it. Third question is, can you switch from a non-tech background? Yes, absolutely. Many data analysts come from the business, art, and healthcare. Okay, so you can switch if you are working in non-tech field. Learn the basic practical daily. Build the project and deep improving. If I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, if I can do it, you can do it too. If this video help you, like it, subscribe for more data content and drop your question. Okay, if you have any question, then you can drop in the comments. See you in next video. Bye bye, take care.